Wherever you live in the city or in the country, you can do many different things in your free time. These are free time activities. Read a book, play computer games, go surfing, do the gardening, play volleyball, and other things you can do in the free time are free time activities. On a warm day, you can do the gardening, but it's not good on a rainy day. It's better to stay at home and read a book on a rainy day. On a hot day, you can go sunbathing. Let's find out what activities Albert and Jack like. Hey Jack, what do you do in your free time?
Well, I read books. Reading is my hobby, you know.
And that's all?
Of course not. I rent a DVD and watch films.
Rent a DVD? Oh, come on. Have you ever heard about surfing the net?
Sometimes it happens that Wi-Fi signal is very low. And what are your favorite free time activities?
On a warm day, I like hanging out at the shopping center or having lunch outdoors. But my coolest spot is Stockwell Skate Park. I'm crazy about skating.
Really? That's great. My dream is to see the ocean and to go surfing. But still, I only go sunbathing, swimming in the river, and play beach volleyball with my friends on hot days.
As for me, on hot or rainy days, I play computer or board games or chat with my friends. Look, you are in London for a week. Let's plan our activities.
Wonderful idea. We should surf the net and find the most interesting places for activities in London.
Yeah, we have plenty of activities to choose from. 1 hour later, Albert and Jack have got a plan of free time activities. Hanging out plan. 1. To shop for skating gear. Skating gear. 2. To teach Jack to skate in Stockwell Skate Park. 3. Hang out at the Science Museum exhibition Robots. 4. Go sunbathing to Brixton Beach. 5. Ride on the carousel. They will have a good time. Let's wish them good luck. Now you know how to speak about free time activities and where to hang out with your friends in London. It's interesting what your favorite activities are. Write or tell about the way you spend your free time.